Sample.
Sample.
What do you think a sample is? What do you think a sample is? Look at these pictures. What can a sample be? What do you think a sample is? Hank. Try to give me a better answer. Try again. What kind of food? Where do we eat this food? What's special about this food? I'll come back to you. Elsa. It's free. That is part of the sample. What else? What else is part of the meaning of the sample? 1 point. Nana. Free for doing things. I don't know if it's quite free for doing something. It's not quite free for doing something. Leon. Very good. It's free to try. It's something that lets you try something. Very good, Leon. 1 point. You might know this. What places in Taiwan can we see people giving free samples? What places in Taiwan can we see people giving free samples? Quinn. In the market. Very good. 1 point. What's another place? Mr. Jason. Costco. Raise your hand if you've waited in line for a sample at Costco. Oh yeah, right. We've done it before. Very good, Jason. Stitch. What's another place? Night market. That's right. At the night market. Right? Any more? Stephanie?
Street.
On the street. Yeah, sometimes. How many points do you have? 2. Okay. Last one. All right. Yes. I'm sorry? At Family Mart. Do they give free samples at Family Mart?
No.
Maybe you have a special at Family Mart. Paper, scissors, stone. Not a really good answer, but I'll let you try. Paper, scissors, stone. Sure. Lucky you. So, free samples. A sample is a small, free piece of food that they're letting you try. All right? Moving on. Everyone, what is this word?
Inspect.
What do you think inspect means? Mr. Benson. Similar. I'm looking for a different definition, but close. Mr. Jeffrey.
You see something very small.
You're very close, Bonnie. To examine, 1 point. To look carefully. To look carefully and examine. So, this word inspect, we can see she is using a magnifying glass to inspect something. This man is also using a magnifying glass, and this man is looking very closely at something. 1 point. What kind of job would be a person who needs to inspect things? Sorry. What job would a person have if they need to inspect or look at things? Leah. Louder. Scientists. Scientists do inspect things. What's another job? Yes. Dentists will inspect your teeth. Excellent work. Excellent work. How many points do you have? 1? Okay, yeah. A spy. Ooh, a spy will inspect an enemy. 1 point. Nana. Detectives. That's right. A detective. Someone who is trying to find who killed this person, who stole this money. Lewis. Doctors. Just like Jolene said. Very good. Doctors will inspect your body. 1 point. Mr. Benson.
Police.
Police. Very similar to Nana. I'll give you that one though. Did you have something else? Police. All right. We'll move on. We have to do more words. Everyone say contrast.
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 So there's actually 2 ways of pronouncing it, contrast and contrast. One is a noun, one is a verb. I'm not going to talk about it too much, but I'm going to let you know. When we contrast, we look at what is different. We look at what is different. Okay? If you remember in grade 3, we wrote a writing about compare and contrast. We compare, we look at what is the same. We contrast, we look at what is different. Okay? So we're looking right here. This is, he's saying quite the opposite. Contrasts can be opposite, right? What contrasts with white? What color contrasts with white? What do you think? Rex. Very good. What color contrasts with red? What color can contrast with red? Amy. Green. Very good. What feeling can contrast with happy? What feeling can contrast with happy? Yes. Sad. Very good. What adjective can contrast with tall? What adjective can contrast with tall? Yes. 1 point. Very good. So contrast is a way of looking at what is different. It is also a way of seeing what is opposite.